Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to be revealing the revamp of our niche site blog, our niche site website. So let's go ahead and get into it. But before further ado, I want to go ahead and say anybody who's trying to build their own blog, their own website, free course, guys, free course. Click the link in the description. Go to cashcownichesites.com, hit the free blogging course button, and sign up to the free course. We're going to be consistently adding content to it. So shout out to everybody who's joined it, took the content. Go ahead and join. And for those who already joined, make sure you keep logging in so you keep accessing the content, all right? Let's go ahead and get into the revamp. Like I said, I'm going to give you guys a tour of what we did, how we did it, and more importantly, why we did it, okay? So let's get into why. We wanted to do a revamp, obviously, because it's going to look better. It's going to give people a better user experience, and more importantly, Google's going to appreciate it more because we're going to get better traffic. And that's what we want. We want better traffic results. Somebody might say, how do you get better traffic when you do a revamp of your website? It's simple. People click on certain links. They get access to certain links better. Google uses those indications as more happy readers. More happy readers means more traffic. And more traffic, well, obviously means more money. So let's go ahead and show you guys the revamp. So let's start at the top. By the way, if anybody's asking what platform we're using Rocket Web Builder, of course, to design our websites, to create our websites, all that kind of cool stuff. Hosted on Rocket Web Builder, everything's taken care of for us. Here's the pricing. You guys can go ahead and check out the templates, check out everything, all right? Anyways, let's get back to it. So we have here the menu bar. The menu bar includes the blog button. We have the ebook, which is a product we're actually selling. We have the blogs in Arabic, which we're going to actually add different blog posts in different languages, Turkish, all kinds of different stuff. Here we have the American or the English language topics of blogs separated. So the English right now is pretty much the main language, obviously, but we're gonna add multiple different blog posts from different languages, and we already have. We just have a few in the Arabic space, so that's why we kind of added a link for Arabic. And if you've seen my other videos before this whole website was completely transformed, you must have seen this link here, okay? Now, something that I will say is, guys, this is not perfect. We still have a lot of improvements to do, so I'm not going to sit here and act like this doesn't need to be improved. It still needs to be improved, but, one step at a time. I'm a 1% kind of guy. You get better 1% a day to be at the 1% one day. So let's go ahead and continue. Here we have our banner, okay? Our banner has, I guess you could say the bodybuilder in different poses, which I think goes perfect with our brand, the how to boost testosterone kind of thing. Works great. And then here, of course, we have a blog button that takes readers. Let me go ahead and preview the website. Takes readers to the blog post page with all the different blog posts. And of course, when a blog post is a recently posted blog, it will show up here in the blog post section. All right. Then we have here a menu bar that segments the different type of blog post categories. So we have nutrition, we have workouts, we have steroids, we have testosterone blogs. All right. So if somebody wants to learn about steroids, boom, they click on it. They see all the different blog posts. Something that I will say is one of the things that I mentioned we have to improve on is right here. Like, I want all the different thumbnails to look the same format. That's just me. I like a clean, organized style, and this is not what it is. So that needs to be fixed, which is just another thing I have to add to my list of tasks here. But it's okay. It's no big deal. Here's a section for some recently posted blog posts. So I just went over here, created an empty block, hit the add block button, created an empty block, and then what I did was I added a headline, dragged it and dropped it, and then I scrolled down here, took the blog section, added it, and selected for the most recent. All right, and I could actually show you guys how that is. This is the thing right here. This is the widget. When you drag and drop the blog widget, it will look something like this, and then you just go over here. Instead of most recent, I will click here, show image and show post image and description, and then boom. And then what I would do here is select the size that I like. I like masonry style, so it's a little bit smaller than the other stuff. And then you just confine it to 3 most recent posts. But I'll go ahead and delete that, and this is where it's at. And then if you scroll under, let me go ahead and actually save my work right here. If you scroll under, we have here a headline, some sections to a banner with the little checks on them, And then here we have, I guess you could say in the background image, picture of a fitness bodybuilder kind of guy. And then here we have the product. And then, of course, the order now button for the first product. And this product is the same product that is linked above here. So for the ebook. So if you scroll down, you could see here, this is it. This is the same product. And once again, whether you click here or you click here, it'll take you to the same page, which should be our product page. There you go. So, here it is, right? And so anybody who's reading who's interested at least in reading the ebook, they're going to read the ebook. Very professionally built, 67 pages. And no, I'm not some kind of testosterone steroid expert. That's why we hired somebody to take care of it with using GPT. So mixture of GPT plus the ebook helps. I was going to do it myself, but I said since I'm doing the blog myself, I might as well hire somebody to do it, and that kind of helped out. But if you're reading this and you're doing this alone, trust me, you do not need to hire anybody. With the power of GPT, you have a genius mind, pretty much. Even if you're using Google Bard too, I mean, Google Bard is great. Not where GTP is currently, but they're selling very quickly. The point is that if you use the AI to help you, you're going to make a killing. You're going to do great. And so here is these little feature icon they're called icon sections. To make them, you just go over here and drag and drop this icon section here. It will look like this. You edit it a little bit, you make some changes, and that's how they look, right? Next, we created some filler blog posts here. Obviously, there's more things that are going to be added, but this is not perfect. This is where it is currently. So I'll start scrolling at the top just to show you. Menu, banner, another kind of sub-menu with some blogs, and then finally a product, and then under the product, more blogs. All right. Next, what we have is our segment. So I added that to the menu. I'm not sure if I'm going to add it under the word blog here instead, kind of like a mega menu approach, like the same way I have these two links here under the word blog. If you go over here to the blog button and you hover over, boom, you have two different links like that, right? So same way. I'm not sure if I'm going to add them. I'm not. We're still figuring it out. It's not perfect yet, like I said, but it's an improvement, and that's what we need. We don't need to, move mountains. We need to make small improvements. All right. So once again, we have the blog post link, shows all the blog posts. We have a sub menu. Okay. Then we have our product. Okay. Then we have our Arabic blog posts. Then we have segments of the blog. So you have the steroid segment or the category. You have the workouts category, and you have the nutrition category. And of course, you have the sidebar, shows some of the ads and all this kind of stuff. All this is built with Rocket Web Builder. Okay, you guys can do the exact same thing. You can view some of the templates. Sorry about that. This was a bell on Rocket Web Builder. I hope it doesn't ring again. Let me actually bring the volume down. Actually, I won't bring the volume down. Whatever. You guys get the point. But this is a sample blog that you guys can go ahead and work with on Rocket Web Builder. And yeah, guys, super powerful tool. In my opinion, a million times better than WordPress. You don't have to worry about the hacking. You don't have to worry about backups. You don't have to worry about any of that kind of stuff. You're just simply using Rocket Web Builder to do everything for you. Even the store. I don't want to click the store button now because we did get a sale, but essentially within the store you can, connect your payment processor, and you can connect or collect payments for your product. So whether you're using PayPal, whether you're using Stripe, or any kind of other payment processor, you can connect it to Rocket Web Builder and sell your products. Whether it be a membership type product, whether it be an ebook or a video or whatever it might be. So highly recommend you check out Rocket Web Builder. All this could not have been done without it. I mean, you click here, add block. We got tons of different blocks, tons. And this is aside from the blog section. The blog section, we click on pages, we click on the blog, and boom, we got all the different blog posts. So, I mean, you guys see what it is. Small improvements every day will make us grow slowly, but it's definitely worth it because in a matter of, a few months, this thing is going to be churning out tons of traffic. It's going to be making tons of money, passive income, might I add, and it's going to be a passive income generation machine. A lot of people live. I think the median average in America is something like 37K or something like that. I forget what the average is, but that just shows how powerful an extra $500,000-$600,000 can go for somebody generating passive income just through a simple blog. You know, you don't have to go to work. You don't have to wake up early in the morning and get dressed and go to the office. This is something you could do from home. Easy, passive income, not difficult at all. And it's just by writing stuff. And to be honest, you don't even have to do majority of the writing anymore because of the AI. You know, it's a matter of including it. Obviously, you don't want to copy and paste and all these kind of things. I'm not trying to give a fake reality here, but there's a little bit of work, not as much as you needed to before, but it's definitely a really cool thing to see where you put a little bit of work in every single day. It builds up to a larger business over time, and that business produces passive income. There's nothing better than that. All right. I'll talk to you guys later. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the reveal of what's going on. By the way, I'll actually show you guys how we have the cart section. So this is an add to cart button, by the way. You click here, you add to the product to the cart, you click checkout, and you got the checkout page. So if somebody wanted to sell, let's just say a t-shirt instead, or I don't know, something physical, you could do that. You know, if you want to sell consulting and have somebody book a session, you could do that as well. On Rocket Web Builder, there's actually a block for that. You go over here, and I believe you have it somewhere here. Team testimonials, menu pricing. Maybe it might be in the pages section. If I go over here to pages, click add new page, click page. Let's see, coming soon, contact. I believe there's, oh no, it's a widget. Sorry about that. I forgot. So if you're doing consulting and you want to consult and you want to have somebody book a session, go over here to add widget. And I believe it's here somewhere. So blog, countdown, portfolio. I personally don't really offer consulting as much. Booking, there it is. So that's the widget, booking, and it will kind of look like a calendar. You obviously have to create the booking event and all that kind of stuff, which is in the back end, but it looks kind of like a calendar setup, right? And you have an operator, you have all these kind of things. I don't want to talk too much about it because it has nothing to do with this video, but the point here is that there's nothing you can't do with Rocket Web Builder. You know, if it's a funnel, if it's a whatever, you could do it all. So it's pretty cool, and I think this is probably the most effective tool for what I'm doing, and I don't think there's a better tool on the planet for this. Super user friendly, super simple. I don't have to worry about servers. I don't have to worry about cPanel. I don't have to worry about hosting. I don't have to worry about any of that kind of stuff. So it takes out like literally 99% of the effort. Plus it's drag and drop, which is what I love. Could I get a coder and a developer and all these crazy things? Yeah, I could, but who really wants to do that? Let's be honest. I like simple stuff, so this is perfect. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to try out Rocket Web Builder or anything like that, all the links will be in the description box down below. And guys, once again, free course, free Bloggers Mastery course. Go ahead and check it out. Go ahead and get started. Create your own blog and start your passive income journey. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out. Bye.